Hi, I'm Jay. I want to welcome you to Digital Nomad Central. As you see, I'm outside, so you're gonna have a lot of wind. The sun is on this side of my face, so that's why the other side of my face is kind of dark. But I am trying to start my YouTube channel about digital nomads. I want to educate people on the exciting world of digital nomads. Just so you know, I got a video that I'll link to the top to my exciting world of digital nomads, and all my other videos will link below. I do have Patreon, Twitter, and Instagram. I don't have Facebook per se because I don't have one on my own. It's me and my wife's page, but I don't really use it like that. So, um, what I, the reason I'm coming to you today because I wanted to let you know why I started my channel. As you know, I have 3 videos that I have posted already, and they're all scripted, and I don't feel too confident about it. It feels like it's unnatural for me. So I wanted to just come out and talk to you one-on-one without anything being scripted. So bear with me today. Just bear with me. Please bear with me, because yes, this is kind of hard for me because I kind of like the script, but I wanted to feel natural at the same time. That's the biggest thing. Um, Digital Nomad Central has been on my mind for years now. I just been scared on coming out with content because I felt like I didn't know a lot, but getting to know all the different aspects of digital nomad and just talking to different people, I feel I'm starting to see that I do know a lot of stuff. I might not know everything, but I know enough to get me by and to get someone else by. So I want to bring this information out to you guys because I know a lot of people say you can't find jobs and it's hard out here, but I've learned over the years that it is hard, but with all the resources we have today, we can always overcome those hard times. And that's why I wanted to start my channel, Digital Nomad Central. I just want to educate people about something they don't know about. And just so you know, digital nomads, you do not have to travel the world to be a digital nomad. You could be a digital nomad right there on your couch. You do not have to even leave your couch to be a digital nomad. The point of a digital nomad is to do something from home, control your life, and be free and make money while doing it. That's the biggest thing for me. And when I started while I was in the military, but I didn't know it was called digital nomad. Just so y'all know, I didn't know it was called digital nomad. I just started doing small things like fixing computers, working on websites, and just doing small things, not even knowing that I could use what I was doing in the military to be a digital nomad when I came out. So when I got out, I focused on getting a job. Like getting a job. I was focused on working at IT firms or a GS job at the VA. Just something that I can get a check from every 2 weeks for working. And I still was dabbling with fixing computers, with working on websites, and just doing small things like that. But I wasn't like the best at websites, but I could fix a computer. I built my own editing rig. If you look below, you'll see all the parts I use for my editing rig, and it wasn't hard to do. I'll also link to do how to build a computer. Link in the below. I'm not sure which one I want to yet, but I will just so you guys, just in case you guys want to use it, you can. Um, but yes, I did a lot of Hackintosh stuff too while building computers. A lot. I only had one successful Hackintosh, but I built a lot of Hackintoshes. So now I'm in the realm of just doing better for myself. And I am not a full-time YouTuber, but I might become one day, depending on you guys. Leave comments below if you want to see more videos because they're not all gonna be like this. I'll probably script a little bit or make some bullet points in the upcoming videos that I want to do. I have a playlist of 8 steps of how to become a successful digital nomad in 2019. I have that down there, but I might postpone that and make that the 2020 video. Not sure. If you want to hear more about that, just go ahead and comment below, and I will continue to make the videos because I already have the scripts for a couple of the steps already done. I just haven't started filming them. I felt like where I was in the process was too scripted and not normal. I want you to know me, the actual creator of the show, and why I created it, and get your feedback on where I should move next in this process of building this channel. I do have Patreon, I do have Twitter, I do have Instagram. I don't have Facebook though, but I'll have everything else linked below so you can see it. I do this is how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna talk about some of the things I do as a digital nomad and some of the equipment that I have. I'm not trying to make this video too long. I just want to get you something out there that so you know who is actually making the video and not that scripted person on the screen, not the full scripted person. Just so you know, I am looking for a content creator and an editor. I don't have much right now, but I'm trying to build this channel into something to where it's a community of digital nomads actually giving back to the community. So if you want to apply, I'll have my email below. I'll have the email below that you can apply to and all that. So from the beginning, guys, I am a digital nomad. I do business consulting. I am an independent recruiter, and I do a couple other things by helping. I help people out a lot of times by showing them places they can go to get certain things. So I kind of feel like I'm a consultant. That's why I say business consultant. But a lot of times I work on recruiting. I am trying to learn how to do some editing, but I'm not too good at it. You probably can tell by my videos. But I'm working on that, and that's why I'm looking for an editor and a content creator, because maybe they can help me better myself, and we can all help each other, and we can build something. So the reason I'm creating my YouTube channel is because I want to move into filming. So I wanted to start out making YouTube videos and get better at content creating, editing, lighting, and all that stuff first, and then I want to move into short films and webisodes. So this is a stepping stone for me. I don't think this is my final journey, but this is a stepping stone for me, guys. And if you want to support me, just leave comments and just help me out and let me know stuff that you feel I need to know. That's the biggest thing for me. That was the biggest reason for creating this channel. I just want to better myself, and I got a bigger picture. YouTube, I will do it, but I don't want to say I'm doing it for the money, because I want to do filmmaking and all that stuff. So that's what I want to do for money. This is something I want to do to educate my fellow brothers and sisters. No matter what color your skin is, I want to educate you on the exciting world of digital nomads. So that's why I'm creating these videos. I'm letting you know my process, and it's not hard. You just gotta get some skills, and I will make a video on where you can get these skills from, but people should already know. You should know, but I'm not gonna say you do know. So I go to places like Udemy, Skillshare are the top ones I use. They are more like lynda.com and Allison. There are a lot of places you can get the skills you need to become a successful digital nomad. I'm gonna say that now. I use Udemy. Udemy has been great. It's great. It has free videos, and it have videos that you have to pay for. I haven't paid over $20 for any of the videos I've got. So I'm just gonna say that now. I haven't paid over $20 for any video any learning series that I have picked up. But if you want to see me do a video on that, comment below, please. I'm sorry, I keep saying that, but because I'm trying to make my channel better, so I want you to comment and just let me know where to go from here. I am gonna film again tomorrow, another video talking about some more stuff. My equipment. Now, equipment is very vital, guys. It is very vital that you get a laptop. I say it's vital because I don't do none of my learning on my phone. I find it very, I don't want to say hard. I want to say it's kind of challenging because I like to have a big screen. So using my phone, I do not like it. I really do not like it. So I always get me a laptop. I always have a laptop. I've had my laptop. This is my laptop, and I have bags that I carry my stuff in. This is my laptop. I have an Asus S500C. It's a touchscreen, and I bought it about 5 years ago, and it's been working for me fine. I can upgrade the hard drive and the RAM on it, and that was another reason I got it. But yes, I have that laptop, and that's what I do a lot of my script writing. If I'm building webs, if I'm gonna do a e-commerce store, it's on that laptop. I do have my editing rig too that I use sometimes, not all the time, just sometimes though. I do have a Sony A55 DSLR cam. I would be using this today, but the volume sucks on this. And every time I plug a mic in it, I redline the whole video. So I'm not using this. I'm gonna take a few pictures with this, but I don't use it like that. Then I also, I have the kit lens too for this. I have the kit lens. So I have the kit lens, which is right here, the kit lens. I have the bag that I bought from Walmart. I did link some stuff below that I use. This is my like a small tripod for my phone. I have a rig. You can't see it, but it'll be linked below. It's a riser. It came with 2 LED lights, and it bolts my phone in. So I have 2 bags. I have another bag with a whole bunch of cables in it. I feel like you have to have a lot of cables. You cannot do anything with a lot of cables. I will explain why I have all this stuff. I have mounts. This came with this, and so did the LED, a small LED. I don't like it though, so I bought another kit. This came with my tripod that I got from Walmart for like $29. It's cheap, but cheap, it doesn't matter, guys. Don't matter how much you pay for it. Got some more screws and stuff that came with the mount. I do have a lapel mic. I'm not using that right now because I'm using my iPhone 7. My iPhone 7 to record myself on right now, guys. My iPhone 7 Plus is what I'm recording on, and I don't have the adapter. I cannot find it. I have some lenses for my phones, but they suck. I don't like them, so I just went ahead and I don't use them. I just keep them in this bag as accessories. It came with 2 lenses, that kit, and then I have a clicker that does not work. Like, nope, I'm not gonna say it doesn't work. The battery's dead on this one. I have another one that kind of sucks. It came with my riser kit. It only works for my iPhone, and guess what? Today I didn't bring it, so I'm kind of cheating myself for not bringing it. But yes, this is all my accessories. I have a lot more, guys. I have a lot more accessories because I have to charge my phone, and So these are the main cables to charge my battery for my DSLR camera. It's also is at the house. My laptop charges at the house. I bring all this stuff a lot of times because I know I'm gonna use it. I don't really charge my stuff overnight, so I don't really use it a lot. So I think I can go pretty much a day with enough cameras, because I have my iPhone 7, but my main phone is my Samsung. It's my Samsung S10 Plus. This is my main phone, and this is where everything's at. Everything, all my calls come into. So this is the main phone. So with that being said, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate everything you guys do for me, and just help me out. Help me out by subscribing and watching my videos. Please tell a friend if you can.